it's not your main Monday either because I'm actually talking in this one. I'm going to give you our top Hong Kong hair accessory trends I saw the entire time we were in Hong Kong. Well, the entire time. We were there for 6 days, so it wasn't even like it was that much. But there's a lot to be seen. There are millions of people there, and we were able to see like the coolest hair accessories. And just want to let you guys know, for you Flhair ladies, that almost all of them we already have in the shop. I ended up only purchasing one order of really pretty enamel clips and bobbies. That's it. Everything else we already had in stock, ready to sell. Thank you guys for shopping at Flhair because we keep you guys super trending with good classics that are gonna last. First one I want to go through is scrunchies. Saw these everywhere, and they were like, I had like thick ones, like ones that were like this big. They had crocheted ones that were like this kind of like a knitted crochet with like a frayed edge. They had ones that were denim. They had one that had like this huge pearl on the end. And those were ones that people wore. They had their hair in like low buns. They had them up in ponytails. It was super cute. So I just want to let you guys know we have all of these. We have a ton of different colors. They're super soft. Whether you want to take your makeup off at the end of the day or if you want to wear it for your corporate cash. And then we also saw a ton of clips. Now, enamel clips that had like cute little details to this. This one's super little. I should have got a bigger one. That's what they, no, okay. They had ones that were like shelled. They had ones that were like detail, like super like ornate. They had ones that were small like these. They had larger ones. There were ones that were metal. There were ones that were just plastic. So I grabbed one of these from the little night market, and I'm going to be ordering more of them. I would see most of the ladies, and they would wear their hair half up, and they wouldn't even like comb this all out. And then they would puff it up like this, and then they would put their clip in. That is how I saw so many people wearing these clips, this style. Okay, there, I think it's all in. But that's how they would wear their hair. They would wear it like this, and that is, they would just go. Elastics. Thin elastics were everywhere. Usually we have a 5/8, 3/8, just like our Flhair ties here. Super thin. They had them in their hair. They had them doubled up. They had cute little pigtails for little girls. They had like low buns for more business casual. Again, like I said, these ones went high up, but ponies were in. Everybody was wearing ponies. I don't know if it was because of the humidity or if it's because you're trying to rush from one like metro to the other, but there were so many of those people wearing those ponies. So these ones are definitely a perk over there. And then clips. People had clips like pinning their hair back, like if you had one on this side and if you had one on the other, and then you pulled it into a low pony. Spare like hair, like any of like the baby fine hairs, everything would be pulled back. It's very clean, very simple, very elegant. Or I'd even see them like pull like hair to the side like this and then put one of these clips in, but it was like at an angle, and then the rest of the hair would go up. Oh my god, if I can stop my hair. Then the biggest hair trend, and we've already had these for like a year and a half, so you guys know you're already on trend with Hong Kong. Bam! These little coil hair ties. Now, if you're anything like me, you're like, oh yeah, these used to be freaking telephone wires, but nope, these are hair accessories, and they're amazing. They were everywhere. Them on their wrists, they had them in their hair up in a pony, they just threw it into like a low bun, to the side, braid, you name it, they were wearing these. These were the top like trendiest like hair trends for Hong Kong. If you had to get one thing that was trending international for a hair accessory, this bad boy would be it. And it holds so much hair too. For long hair, curly, you name it, these things are amazing and they will be your favorite. So I want to show you guys size reference. This is our clear elastic that we have in our shop, and then this is a thinner one. You can see here that they're definitely different in size. Not the circle-wise size, but just the width of it. And people would stack them on their wrists like they would bracelets. It was crazy. And then if you really want to be like super Hong Kong, you would put cute little charms on them. They were so cute, like a little kawaii style, where they had like little like ice cream and poodles and pizza. They had all of those on here, rockin' charms, and definitely more pearls. So there you go. Those were my top Hong Kong hair trends that we saw the most of, and you can get almost every single one except for those cute clips at emmaflhair.com. And hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. Thank you so much for being patient while I traveled abroad, and I can't wait to bring you guys the newest hair trends for 2019.